Hello, thanks for tuning in today. Welcome to The Price of Life. I'm your hostess today, the hostess with the mostest, Carol Harris, and we're going to go ahead and get started.
Hey, welcome. We're going to get started with The Price of Life, and we're going to start off by introducing our teams. First, we have our IT team on this side. Introduce your team and yourself for us, please.
Thank you, Carol. We are Team First Fed IT, and I am Leanne Whitney.
I am Joe Schrammick.
Mary Maguna.
Thank you, Team IT. And on this side, we have the chosen ones. If you could get to introduce yourselves and tell us your department, please.
Thank you, Carol. My name is Nikki Lozano, and I am in the loan department. I'm Casey Clemens. I am in the audit department.
And I am Meggan Molinazzi, Human Resources.
So we're going to get started with our first question. What institution is targeted the most by cyber criminals? Is it A, government entities, B, hospitals, C, small businesses, or D, banks? Yes. Casey. The chosen ones are thinking, and their answer is
Government entities.
oh, I'm sorry, that is not correct. IT has a chance to steal. Yes.
Small businesses.
That is correct. Congratulations. Nice try. So we have IT at 1, chosen 1, 0. Next question is true or false. 60% of small businesses go out of business after a cyber attack. True or false? Yes, chosen ones.
True.
That is correct. It is true. 60%. That's nice. So we're tied up at 1-1. Next question is a fill in the blank. Please refrain from buzzing in until I finish the entire question. Blank is the fraudulent practice of sending emails purporting to be from reputable companies in order to induce individuals to reveal personal information such as passwords and credit card numbers. Chosen ones.
Spear fishing.
I'm sorry, close, but that is not correct. IT?
That would be fishing.
Fishing is correct, and that's fishing with a PH, P-H-I-S-H-I-N-G. That's correct. IT is ahead, 2-1. Thank you for trying though, Megan. Okay, our next question. What in a URL tells you if a website is secure? Yes, IT.
It would start off with HTTPS.
That is correct. There is an S. Very good, IT. And Nikki, you thought it was a lock, didn't you?
I would have guessed padlock.
Why is it not the padlock, Joe?
Because that's not part of the URL.
Oh.
I
You guys are
thought
so
it
smart
meant
over
lock,
here.
secure.
Okay. The score, IT 3, chosen ones 1. Next question is fill in the blank. Blank is a type of deceptive activity where a person creates a fake identity on social network account to scam other users.
Spear fishing.
No! I'm sorry, it is not spearfishing. IT.
Catfishing.
Oh, yes. Catfishing. IT is taking a commanding lead at 4 points to 1. All right, chosen ones, you ready to catch up a little bit here?
Yes, Carol.
Okay. Put your thinking caps on. Next question. What was the biggest social media scam of 2018? Megan.
Spear fishing.
No, I'm sorry, it's not spearfishing. In fact, none of the answers are spearfishing.
Unbelievable!
An answer. The biggest social media scam of 2018. chosen ones, 1. But I have confidence in you to come
Thanks,
back.
Carol.
Okay, next question. What 2 forms of payment are the most common way of a cyber criminal asking for money? Yes, Casey.
Gift cards and wire.
Very good. That is correct. Did you guys have a training on that?
We did.
I thought so. Very good. Okay, 5-2. Next question is true or false? Is it safe to log into your online banking on a public Wi-Fi? It is safe to log in. Yes,
False. It is not safe.
that's correct. IT leading. And we have one more question. You ready, chosen ones? Okay. IT, you ready for the last question?
We're ready, Carol.
This is a fill in the blank. Blank is a debit and credit card fraud mitigation and management tool that enables cardholders to control when, where, and how their debit and credit cards are used. Casey?
Card valet.
Yes, that's correct. It is Card Valet. You know our products and service as well. IT still won.
Congratulations!
Thank you for playing, chosen ones.
Thank you, Carol.
Thank you, Carol.
Thank you.
You want me to be weird like that?
Charlie said something. Yeah, okay. Weirder the better.
Really?
Yes.
Hello, thanks for tuning in today. Welcome to The Price of Life. I'm your hostess today, the hostess with the mostest, Carol Harris, and we're going to go ahead and get started. They told me to say that.
The gigabytes? Yeah. We are not the gigabytes.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
What is ransomware?
Isn't that Rihanna's new clothing line?
Yes.
Yes.
Meggan, what does a cyber criminal look for when phishing?
A fish.
No, you do know this is about cybersecurity, right?
Big fish? That
No.
doesn't make sense.
True or false? Casey, hey.
Super dog fishing.
If it came out of my mouth, it's probably not appropriate.
Well, now
That's enough. Perfect.
It's kind of awkward.
Hi, Nikki.
Hi.
What is CAPTCHA?
Me too.
Oh, my nose.
Yeah.
CAPTCHA?
Yeah, go. Keep going.
Say the T.
Keep going.
CAPTCHA?
Keep going. Yep, right there.
What's CAPTCHA?
CAPTCHA. I just learned that new dance at a wedding.
Okay. Which of these boxes is, and you're like, do they mean the stick too, or just the sign?
Let's do that one more time. Hard again.
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
You look amazing now.
Everyone turn around.
No, I'm just
Come on over, Carol.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yo, not done.
so happy to be back. In 10 seconds or less, tell us what ransomware is.
What a cyber criminal looks for when they're phishing is any of your personal information that they can use to gather more information about you and be able to, see, I'm already screwed up.
Rewind.
Ask me again.
Is it safe to log in to your online banking on a public Wi-Fi? Leanne?
No.
Correct, no. I read that question wrong. Is it, oh yeah, is it safe? True or false? False, it's not. Okay.
False. That might be a trick question.
Two-step authentication.
See, IT people are funny.
One take.
Next.
Who's next? Come on down. Okay, blank is a debit and credit card fraud mitigation and management tool that enables cardholders to control when, where, and how their debit and credit cards are used? Leanne.
That would be card valet.
Card-
You guys do that.
Yeah.
I thought you were like, Joe, push the button.
I actually said that before she even read the question. Okay, press the button.
Do you want there to be a long pause and nobody
It
knows
just
the answer, so I come over and buzz in for you guys? Okay, we're tied up. 2-2. What's the score? What is the score, seriously?
Sorry to say.
Spearfish. What?
You said, I'm sorry to say, IT won. Let's do it again. Do it again. See who can.
Encore for Leanne, for the rest of them.
Okay. Hopefully it worked.
Hopefully.
I don't think it's.
I know.
And that's it.